Welcome back, adventurers, to Beyond Passports. This episode of Magnetic Memories, we're going to be taking another trip through memory lane for our trip to Vancouver. Of course, we started with a pretty entertaining magnet. It's, yeah, you can figure it out. Anyways, it's only $6, so I'm like, yeah, we got to get that. It's pretty funny. I think my wife found that one. Then we got this one. We went to the Vancouver Aquarium. It's a little axolotl in its tank. Of course, it's got the liquid in there so it can swim around. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I do like that one quite a bit. And then, this one's not really a magnet, but you picked it up down there. And it's a little bear that's a Mountie. Not really sure where we're going to put him, but we'll find somewhere. And then rounding out this video, again, sorry to disappoint you, it's not a magnet. It's $15, and we love it. It's a little snow globe. If it wants to work. There we go. Of course, it's got the Gastown steam clock, the cruise ships that come in at the Port of Vancouver, Vancouver City skyline, Stanley Park. You've got all the signs for Stanley Park, Canada Place, Granville Island, and the Capilano Suspension Bridge. I've been to the suspension bridge once before, maybe twice. I'd like to go again. I should get a video of it for you fine guys on the internet and gals. Granville Island we went to. There's going to be a video up on the channel of that. Canada Place I've been to. There's not really a whole lot to do or see there anymore. So probably no real video will ever come of that unless I get exclusive access inside, which you never know. You gotta subscribe to find out if that ever happens in Stanley Park. It's a miracle of a place to go to if you ever get the chance to. And that's everything. Make sure to like the video if you like this type of content. Comment if you've been to Vancouver, the Vancouver Aquarium, or any of these places listed here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, just stay adventurous, the usual stuff. Take care.